Hi guys, Yogeshwar here, back with another video. So today I received a package from Amazon, and as you can see the package is pretty big. So in today's video we're going to unbox this and find out what's inside and take a first look review at it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. So guys, let's start the unboxing. So here is the box and my signature style opening tool, the surgical blade. So let's start with the opening. So, okay, I'm just going to take the blade out. This is a 22 size blade, and this is the most popular blade in surgeries. Most of the doctors use this blade only for surgeries. So I'm just going to open the box. Okay, that's the bill. I'm gonna keep the bill aside. This looks like yeah, it is a Bluetooth speaker, and to my surprise all these stickers are peeled off, as you can see. I don't know whether this is authentic or not. Well, this is a pair of Bluetooth speakers made by HP. The speaker's name is 400, and this thing has stereo speakers. Okay, so let's get into it. But the speaker looks new, and wow, these buttons have good click to it. As you can see here, the power button, the plus and minus, the volume and the call button. This thing has more buttons than my previous speaker, that is the H6500, and as you can see, here's the aux input and the USB cable. Okay, I'll just charge it up and get back to you in a minute. So I plugged it in, and there's a small LED blinking here. Let me disconnect the cable. Oh yeah, I guess that's the charging indicator, and the indicator for all the Bluetooth connectivity and stuff. There's a small indicator. So I'm gonna let it charge for some time, and then switch it on and show the sound quality to you. Yeah, while it charges, let's go through the specs here. Okay, as you can read here, complete protection against dust, dirt and sand, resistant against splashing water, rich stereo sound, perfect for outdoors, built-in microphone and hands-free calls. Enjoy up to 8 hours of uninterrupted playtime. HP standard 1 year limited warranty. So here is a bunch of Asian languages which I don't know, and here's the stuff. Here's the sticker of the product. So the MRP is 2,799, and it is manufactured in June 2017. That's last year. And here it says speaker 1 number, power cable 1 number, user guide, product notices, warranty card 1 number. So everything is inside the box. So I guess it's okay. Rechargeable battery, speaker phone, 4-watt stereo sound. Okay, so I'm not very patient with this charging stuff. So here's my power bank, here's the speaker. I'm gonna pick a phone. Okay, this one. Okay, I got my phone. Okay, this is my Samsung Z4, which I did a review on a few months ago, I guess. So this is my old speaker. This is the HP 6500. I also did a review on this. This speaker is very good guys, really good. For a mono speaker, I mean a mono Bluetooth speaker, this sounds like a beast. I'll just show the comparison between these two if I could in the next video or this video itself. So let's switch on the speaker. Yeah, it's on. That's the HP sound. So now I can connect it to my phone. Yeah, I'm just gonna go into the Bluetooth settings. Yeah, available devices, it's scanning. this thing is that it's connecting. Okay, good. It's connected for call and media audio. I'm just gonna go to YouTube and play some non-copyright sounds on this. So yeah, as you can hear the quality of the sound. I'm gonna put full sound in this. It's running in full sound, and there's also volume in the speaker. I'm gonna go full on it. Yeah, that's full. It's too high, that's why I reduced the sound. Okay, I'm just gonna go a little bit more. This is like 60% in my phone and 100% in the speaker. Okay, let's go to the beat part. Okay, that one was good. Let's see the next song. Okay, let me pause it. Okay, I have to pause it here. So one thing that's bad about this speaker is that this thing tend to have more bass. Okay, it's like boom 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 boom. I think you should use an equalizer with this one. I'm gonna play the song again. At full sound I can feel the vibration coming out of the speaker. So I hope you had a good outlook of what the speaker sounds like and how it looks. So this is the first look review of the speaker, guys. So if I could, I can make a full review on the speaker, but as you can see, it's a basic speaker. You connect to Bluetooth and play songs or stuff, whatever you want to do. So as you heard, it's pretty good. The thing is, I'm shooting this video using my Samsung Galaxy S7, and the mic on this is pretty based over bass. Okay, anything I record using this phone tends to have more bass. So I guess you can just reduce the bass up to 20% if you're hearing the sound on this video. That will give you the exact output of the speaker through your earphones, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye.